Hello children, myself Osmosis. Today we shall do an experiment on osmosis. Children, you all know what is osmosis. It is a process by which water molecules move from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So we will see by performing an experiment that water molecule actually moves from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. For doing this experiment, we need potato. This is a filled potato. Now, apart from potato, we need water, 20% sugar solution, knife, a pen and few pins and petri dish. What we have to do in this potato, after peeling this potato, the two sides of the potato, the two ends of the potato, we cut a little bit so that the ends of the potato becomes broader. This is how we have to cut the potato. Then we have to groove out the inner portion of the potato and we have to make a hole inside this potato from one end. The other end will remain as it is from the one end we will groove out the content of the potato like this, so that in the middle there will be a groove. A groove will be formed in the middle. Like this, we have to take out the contents of the potato with the help of the knife. Here, I have already done two pieces of potato, taking out the materials inside, in between, and making two grooves, two holes inside the potato. Now, let us mark this as potato A. This is potato A and this one as potato B. Now children, we will perform the experiment of osmosis by the help of these two potatoes. Now these two potatoes, they are now called as potato osmosis. Why osmosis? Because we will do the process of this experiment by the help of these potato, which will, through these potato, actually the process of osmosis takes place. That is why we are calling it to be osmosis. And these outer layer of the potato, the cells present in the outer layer of the potato, it will act as a semi-permeable membrane. Now we will see how water moves from higher concentration to a lower concentration. We will take two petri dishes and we will keep the two potatoes, one here, potato B here and potato A here in this petri dish. After that, we will fill both the petri dishes with plain water. So let us fill this petri dish with water. Full with water, and now let us fill these petri dishes full with water. So these two petri dishes, they are filled with water. Now what we will do, children? Inside potato A, we will put 20% sugar solution. Inside potato A, we will put 20% sugar solution till 2/3 of the potato. Till 2/3 of the groove which is present inside the potato. And we will mark the position of the sugar solution inside the potato by the help of this pin. We will insert this pin where the level of sugar solution is present inside the potato. Like this. And Then what we will do, children? In potato B, we will put plain water. We will put plain water. Let us put this pins from outside so that it can be visible to you all. Till here, the sugar solution is present. Now, what we will do? Here, the sugar solution inside this potato A and outside plain water. And in potato B, inside also plain water, outside also plain water. Children, now leave this setup for about an hour. After an hour, what changes we can find in these two setups? In the setup B, where plain water is there inside the potato, there is no change in the level of water which was there before 1 hour. But in the setup A, where the position of sugar solution was there, now it is seen that the level of the sugar solution has come up. Now, the level of the sugar solution is still the brim of the potato, at top of the potato. So, this much increase of level of sugar solution has happened after an hour. Why this has happened? Children, outside the potato, it is plain water. Inside the potato, it is sugar solution. So the concentration of water molecules is more outside the potato. And osmosis, it is a process in which the water molecules move from a region of higher concentration, that is from outside, the water molecules starts entering inside, because inside it is sugar solution. So the concentration of water molecule is less inside. So the movement of water molecules is from outward to inward. And after an hour, it is seen that the level of the sugar solution has increased to a certain extent because of the entry of water molecules. And this water molecules will continue to enter inside till the concentration of water becomes same outside as well as inside. And in this process, children, which one is acting as semi-permeable membrane? These cells of the potato. It is acting as a semi-permeable membrane. And here in this setup, children, there is no change because the concentration of water inside the potato and outside the potato both are same. So there is no movement, no net movement of water molecules in this potato. So this setup acts as a control. This setup acts as a control. Whereas this one, the process of osmosis has taken place. So children, this is all about the process of osmosis. We have soon seen by this potato osmoscope the process of osmosis. Okay, thank you, children.